Hello, I'm Brooklyn. I'm a money mindset coach and a master hypnotherapist. And I joined Consistent Sales System because I knew that even though I was pretty good at marketing and I'd built a successful business already, that sales skills were that missing piece to take my business to the next level and to be able to trust myself more, that my success wasn't a fluke and that it was something that could be repeatable and that I could put into place processes that made my sales a lot more consistent. And I've loved that about Consistent Sales System. I feel so confident in my DM conversations, being able to sell people without feeling salesy or icky or sleazy, but just being able to figure out what they need and help them find the right program for them. I feel so confident selling in my DMs now. I have made so many sales that I fully attribute to my learning, my education, the practice that I've been getting inside Consistent Sales System. And it was absolutely worth every single penny. And if you're thinking about it, because you know that that's what you want to, just get in here. Just come join us.